Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Telegram without phone number. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, let me tell you that if you want to use the Telegram, then you need the phone number. So guys, if you don't want to give your phone number, then you can search any phone number. You can use any free phone number. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page, and after that you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply have to search for free phone number for verification. So just simply have to search for this. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on receive free SMS online free phone number, or for verification tap on that. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So you can see the numbers here guys. So here are the numbers guys. So just simply have to copy the number, tap on copy. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on Telegram, and from here you have to put that phone number. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down all the way, and you can easily see here receive time or SMS content. Here you can easily see the code, and just simply have to put that code, and after that you can easily log in your account with. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.